Hey beautiful people, welcome. My name is Nokubongah and you my darlings of Shally Trend and to life with Nokubongah Mkhabela. Hope you to stay, you subscribe and become part of this family. So in today's video I am going to be showing you or sharing with you 2 ways in which you can use apple cider vinegar to get rid of active acne. So if you have come across this video, that means it is definitely for you. So do stay tuned and watch the rest of the video.
You look so hard, but you can't see enough. Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose.
So the apple cider vinegar that we're going to be using is the house brand from Shakey's, which is of 5% acidity. So let's just go straight to the first way in which you can use the very same apple cider vinegar to get rid of active acne. So firstly, you can just take the apple cider vinegar, pour it or dip it with a cotton pad, apply it directly to your face where you usually experience acne, where you have acne. Make sure you are not of the sensitive type skin, and yeah, let it like dry for about 5 minutes and then go on and rinse it with cold water. I repeat, cold water, and then go straight to your everyday routine. I mean your cleanser, toner, blah blah blah, and all that. Then the second way in which you can use apple cider vinegar to get rid of active acne is to dilute it with water and use it as a toner, meaning that you have to like wash your face first, use it as a toner, like the very same way you use your whatever toner, use it as a toner, then continue with your skincare routine as normal. So those are the 2 ways in which you can use apple cider vinegar to get rid of acne. But mind you, make sure you are not of the sensitive type, because it can kind of burn you. And yeah, make sure you do not let it stay very long into your face, because I don't know what's gonna happen. Like, I definitely don't know what's gonna happen. So that is the 2 ways in which you can use to get rid of active acne using apple cider vinegar. So thank you for watching. See you on my next upload. Bye.